Hello Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I created this look today. So getting straight into it, I'm applying this. It's actually a stamping polish, but you can use it as like a normal polish as well, and it's blue Enchantress. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the first coat. These do apply really nice. Obviously it is a stamping polish, so you want to work quite quickly getting the first coat on. Nice and evenly. These do dry matte as well. So this is it after 2 coats. And you can see it dries. It's such a gorgeous colour. So I am using this Moyou new sailor plate, which is just amazing. I have seen Moyou create a few gorgeous designs using this plate, and like the inspiration behind this design has come from a picture they put up on Instagram. I've just sort of changed it slightly in that I've used like thermal colours, so obviously you'll get to see that more at the end of the video how that changes. So I was kind of going for like a Northern Lights look with this mani. So there you go, that's just a quick look at the images, and as well it's in excellent condition, this plate. I just want to highlight that there's no like scratches on it, which is really good. So I'm going to be using 4 of my stampers. Well, obviously if you're doing this on your own you'd need 5 because you've got your thumbnail if you were going to do this on every single finger. So I've got them all cleaned off and ready, and then I'm just going in with some stamping polishes, and like for some of it I'm going to fill it in white so it looks like a bit, you know, like a snow-capped mountain kind of look. And this is a I think that was my Clear Jelly Stamper detail brush. I do use it a lot with doing advanced stamping. I just find it easier to use. If you prefer, you can use like a dotting tool to fill this in as well if you don't have any brushes. And then where it's all like diagonal lines, I'm filling in with the grey. I just sort of really loved the look of it. So this is where I'm going to be adding another thermal polish on top of this thermal base. But because it didn't really show up against the blue base, I am just sort of sponging on a white stamping polish. I know you can't see it in the other one, but yeah, I needed that to kind of like be able to see this, so you can see what it looks like when obviously the polish is cold. So it's got this gorgeous like purple tone to it. So I know at the moment it looks a little bit of a mess, but you won't see that near the end. And then again, trying to bring the Northern Lights theme into it, I've just got some neon green stamping polish and literally just, you know, took the sponge back and forth across the nail until I was kind of happy with the end look. Obviously you're going to be putting stamping at the bottom of this image as well, so don't worry too much about getting it absolutely perfect. But before I add these sort of mountains, I am taking this image right here and I apply this to the base of all of the nails, and I kind of move it around slightly so that big star is in different parts of the nail as I sort of, you know, across all of my nails kind of thing. So I have top coated and I have applied some transfer foil glue to make this sort of dry stamping a lot easier. And that's kind of like the end look. So it's like, it's quite a simple mani really, but I think it's quite a striking look. And then obviously you want to finish off with a top coat as well, and I've applied my Kiki London matte top coat. So this is how it would look if your hands are warm. I do actually love this look the best. I just think it's just so gorgeous. And this was me with like a hairdryer trying to show you from cold to warm, and then I did like a little time-lapse video showing you how the colour changed kind of naturally. So that is it for today, Jelly Babes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.